Have you ever wished you could hook someone up to a lie detector just to see if they're telling the truth? Well, you don't need one. I'm Meghna, I'm a psychologist, and today I'm going to teach you a sneaky little trick to spot a liar with just one question. It's called the Conundrum Technique, and it works like magic. Here's how it goes. Let's say a woman suspects that her husband wasn't really at the movies with his friends last night. She thinks he was out with someone else. If she straight up asks, "Were you at the movies last night?" he's just going to say yes, whether he was or was not. So instead, she throws a fake yet believable detail like this. "I heard there was a crazy car accident right outside the theater. Traffic must have been awful." Now watch what happens next. If he was actually there, he would say, "Huh? There wasn't any accident yesterday." But if he's lying, he'll pause for just a second because now he's in a dilemma. If he agrees, he risks confirming something that never happened. If he disagrees, he might worry that she already knows the truth. Either way, that tiny pause, that's your clue. Liars hesitate because they have to think before they can answer. But here's a little disclaimer. Not all hesitation means that someone is lying. Some people might just get flustered. So don't rely on just this trick alone. Combine it with other signs like vague answers, avoiding eye contact, or changing the subject. Let's look at another scenario. You want to know if someone really went to XYZ restaurant. Instead of asking, "Did you really go to XYZ restaurant?" which a liar will only confirm, try this. "I heard they completely changed their menu last night. You must have been surprised by all the new dishes." If they were really there, they would probably say, "No, the menu was the same." But if they weren't there, they might hesitate or even agree to it, not realizing that this detail isn't true. Let's look at one last scenario. Let's say someone claims that they were at the park all afternoon. Instead of directly questioning them, drop in a little weather detail. "That sudden rainstorm must have been crazy for you at the park." If they were actually there, they would say, "What rainstorm? It was sunny all the time." But if they're lying, they'll hesitate and agree, not realizing that you just made that up. Try this out and let me know. Have you ever caught someone lying? Let me know in the comments. And if you like such content, subscribe for more such tips. And I'll see you in the next video.